All right, so I just finished up. So let's look under here. So the female sleeve, I'll call it. This is the where are we at? Right there. This is the plug. The sleeve that it kind of goes inside, I just kind of gooped it all up with the ultra black. Stuffed it in there. I put some ultra black on the inside of the washer on the plug there. Stuffed it in. I mean, it was generous. And then I took this ultra black and I pushed it up against the drain hole right here, and I just kind of squeezed it in there, so it just kind of came out all around the edges right here, and I just gooped it up as nice as I could. So let this sit overnight, let this thing harden up. I mean, it's supposed to take, I think, 24 hours or so, but yeah, this is gonna seal it really nice.